Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to learn how to safely update n8n on a Hostinger VPS. First, go to your self-hosted n8n dashboard. Look at the bottom, or go to the settings area where the current n8n version is shown. If your version is older than the latest release, then an update is needed. Once you confirm this, continue to the next step. Now log into Hostinger's hPanel. Here I already logged. Go to the VPS menu, and then click the terminal button in the top right corner. A black terminal window will open. This is where we will run all update commands. All commands for this update are given in the description as a GitHub repo link or a Medium link. You can check either of them. Step 1. Check if Docker is installed. Before updating, we must confirm that Docker is available on your VPS. In the terminal, type Docker v. If you see a version number, Docker is installed and working. If not, you will need to install Docker first, and the command is provided in the description. Step 2. Clear the terminal screen. This is just to keep things clean and easy to follow. Step 3. Pull the latest n8n Docker image. Now we download the newest n8n version. Copy this command and paste it. Now you can confirm you're in the correct folder by typing ls. Step 4. Stop current n8n container. Copy and paste the Step 4 command. This stops the current n8n container, but your workflows and credentials stay safe. Step 5. Start n8n using the updated image. Now run this command. This will relaunch n8n using the latest version you just downloaded. Step 6. Confirm n8n is running properly. Copy this command and paste it. Make sure the n8n container shows running. Now your n8n version is updated. Refresh the n8n dashboard and check it.